Hello and welcome to our video on site selection and preparation for Biofloc fish farming. In this video, we will discuss the factors to consider when choosing a site for a Biofloc system and the steps that need to be taken to prepare the site for fish farming. First, let's talk about site selection. When choosing a site for a Biofloc system, there are several factors to consider. These include electricity and water. Biofloc systems require a reliable source of electricity to power pumps, aerators, and other equipment, as well as a source of water for filling and maintaining the system. Climate. Biofloc systems are typically operated indoors, so it's important to choose a site with a climate that is conducive to indoor fish farming. This means a site that is free from extreme temperatures and weather conditions. Location. The site should be easily accessible for delivery of fish feed and other supplies, and for harvesting and marketing the fish. Once you've chosen a suitable site, the next step is preparation. This includes clearing and leveling the land. This will make it easier to construct the fish tanks and other structures. Building fish tanks. The tanks should be constructed of durable materials, such as concrete or fiberglass, and should be designed to meet the specific needs of the fish species you plan to raise. Installing water treatment and filtration systems. These systems are crucial for maintaining water quality and controlling harmful bacteria in the water. Setting up the necessary infrastructure. This includes installing electricity and plumbing, as well as providing access to the site for delivery of fish feed and other supplies. It's worth noting that site preparation can be a significant undertaking, and it's important to work with experienced professionals to ensure that everything is done correctly. In conclusion, site selection and preparation are crucial steps in setting up a Biofloc fish farming operation. Site selection should consider factors such as access to electricity and water, climate, and location. Site preparation includes clearing and leveling the land, building the fish tanks, installing water treatment and filtration systems, and setting up the necessary infrastructure. It's important to work with experienced professionals to ensure that everything is done correctly. Thank you for watching, and we hope you have a better understanding of the process of site selection and preparation for Biofloc fish farming.